This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread ka halwa at home. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need about 8 to 10 slices of white bread, ensuring the crusts are removed. Have 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of ghee ready. Also, prepare 2 cups of full-fat milk, a pinch of saffron for color, and a few tablespoons of chopped nuts like almonds or cashews, plus a 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now let's prepare the bread. First, tear each bread slice into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee in a large, heavy-bottomed pan or kadaï over medium heat. Once the ghee is hot, add the torn bread pieces. Fry them gently, stirring continuously until they become beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. This step usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the fried bread and set it aside. With the bread prepared, it's time to cook the halwa base. In the same pan, add the remaining ghee and let it melt. Then, pour in the 2 cups of full-fat milk and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, add the 1 cup of sugar, stirring continuously until it completely dissolves into the milk. Now, add the pinch of saffron strands. This will impart a beautiful color and a delightful aroma to your halwa. Finally, let's finish our delicious bread halwa. Add the fried bread pieces to the simmering milk and sugar mixture. Stir everything thoroughly, ensuring the bread absorbs all the liquid and softens. Continue cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture thickens and leaves the sides of the pan. Stir in the 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder and most of the chopped nuts. Garnish with the remaining nuts and serve your warm, delightful bread halwa immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.